Welcome back to the 805 Barbecue Junkie. For today, we're gonna do some spare ribs. Let's go ahead and just cut right here, make a little slit. On these, you just wanna pat them dry, just like so. So I'm gonna show you my way how to trim the spare ribs. There's many ways you guys can do it. I usually follow, see where the fat and the meat starts? This is my starting point to cut straight all the way across. But before we do that, I'm gonna come in here, maybe about the second to third bone. I'm gonna go ahead and just square it off right here. So remember where the fat and the meat meets? That's where I'm gonna make my cut, right there. Just go straight, just like that, guys. I'm gonna save this meat because I got another request to make carne con chile con nopales. So there it is, the St. Louis. Come over here, just get rid of the skirt. Just come in here, just trim it away, just like so. Pretty simple, guys. Sometimes I just come here and instead of digging all this fat out, I just cut right through it, get rid of it. It's still a little thin over here on this side. Just come back, cut right through it. There's many ways you can take off the membrane, guys. I usually just come in here, my finger, kind of pry it up, just pull up. So me and Drunken Chef got together and we're doing a collab for you guys. So I'll be using his spices. So the very first one, we're gonna use the habanero. Just go ahead and season, nice and heavy. Pat it in, nice good layer. And this also carries SPG in it. Pat it in. I'm gonna put a little layer on the cutting board so we can get the sides, just like so. Pick that up and blot it. Blot this side best you can. Get the sides. It's pretty good, right? So let's put this one over here. I'm gonna use his SPG, but I'm gonna add to it. I'm almost empty. So this is what I'm gonna add to it. 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon of fresh ground pepper. We're gonna add it into the container. Let's go ahead and give this a good shake. On this side, I'm gonna go a little bit more heavier because I really want the brown sugar to shine. Just go ahead and pat that in. Let's go to the other side. There we go. Nice and heavy, guys. That is very, very beautiful, guys. So here, I'm gonna put some seasoning on the cutting board as well. Nice and heavy. Just turn the rib this way and blot it in so we can get all sides seasoned, just like so. Come to your sides. All right, these are ready to go. Let's go outside and start the fire. So we got our spicy rack right here. This is our sweet rack. So if you pull your ribs, this is how exactly they're gonna cook. It's best just to push them in just like this. Therefore, that's how they'll cook, just like this. We'll be cooking at 250 to 275. I'll bring you back in a few hours. Let's create a quick spritz. So all I got is some local honey. I'm gonna go straight to the bottle spray, a couple tablespoons, and I got some pineapple juice. It's very simple and very delicious. We're gonna use the whole entire can. Make sure you mix this well because the honey is very thick. Just go outside and spray our ribs. So this is a 2-hour mark. The ribs are doing really good. The rub has already set. It's nice and dry. Some areas we do have some rendering going on here. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get our spritz, our honey, and our pineapple juice. Just spray. That's gonna be our sweet barbecue on that side, and this is our sweet and spicy. As soon as honey and pineapple juice hits the ribs, I can smell the honey. And by all means, you can use anything you want to use to spray it with. I like my meat on the sweet side. I'll bring you back in 2 more hours. All right, 4 hours in, 275. Oh man, check that out. They look gorgeous. I've been spraying every half hour or so. Come in here and quick spritz. This is at the time I'm gonna wrap them. This is the color that I'm looking for. It's time to wrap, and I'm gonna wrap them right here on the grill. We'll get the spicy rack first. Make sure you get yourself some good butter. I got some Kerrygold, aka Irish butter. Just put our butter right here, and then we're gonna add some honey, just like so, just right here. It's gonna be a sweet and spicy rib. Just flip it right here. Super easy, guys, and just come in here and close it up. This is our regular rib, the homemade rub we made for it. I do want to spritz this one. So this is a good indication when you know they're done. When you get them and you bend them, they just bend with no problem. Just like that. They're just bending. So let's just open them up, see what they look like. Oh, wow. We got a nice pullback on the bone right here. Check this one out. We got some nice pullback here as well. Spicy rack. Oh man, look at this. That is beautiful. Isn't that beautiful and gorgeous? This is gonna be my sweet and spicy. So I got a little bit of baby rays right here. Just gonna go right on top, just like that. I'm gonna kind of dilute that. See that? I'm kind of pushing the barbecue sauce with the spray. All right, let's close it up. Let's get this nice and tacked up. Bring it back in a little bit. So this is the sweet and spicy one with the barbecue sauce. Came out absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Honey, guys. And this one is with no barbecue sauce, just regular. I did spritz it with the honey and the pineapple juice. That's why it looks a little wet, but no barbecue sauce on this one. Sure looks like it has some, but it doesn't. They cut like butter, guys. Let's come up with a quick close-up here. It's nice and juicy, as you can see. No doubt, right? The other one cuts more like butter. This one's a little bit more firm, if you will. Nice and juicy. Just barely touching it. Look at that. Nice quick close-up. This is a spicy one with the barbecue sauce. Cheers. This is good. Spicy one. It's freaking bomb. Wow. It's a perfect spice. Immediately you can taste the habanero coming in, but it's a good taste. It's a good spice. And then you have the honey and the barbecue sauce coming right through it. It's amazing. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It's delicious. Let's try the other one. Bite of this one right here. It's delicious. All right, guys. Well, the ribs were money. They were delicious, guys. So me and Drunken Chef are doing a collab together. We're both doing ribs. Go check out his video. Give him a thumbs up. Subscribe to his channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Man, these were good. I'm not gonna lie. It's super easy cook, man. Well, thank you for watching the 805 Barbecue Junkie. I appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider to subscribe. I'll catch you guys next Friday. You guys stay safe and have a great week. Haters. Oh, when you guys watch this, it'll be on a Friday, so have a good weekend. Catch you guys later.